So slept on, no Tempur-Pedic, but that's why I gotta dream it, got a vision, now they see it. But they wanna ride, they used to hate, but it ain't gon' slide. I put this rapping on my life, I put this rapping on my dogs, no pedals. Don't care what them hoes say, no Cuervo. You say you really out here, but you ain't even there though. And I ain't talk about Robert when I say I need dinero, Man, I'm talking.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna try to replace today. It is the belt tensioner pulley because this one has shot. I'll start it up and give it a lift. I'm really hoping that that's what it is, because the only other things I can think of is it's not the air conditioning, because when you turn it on it makes no different noises. So that's the only thing I can think of over in that region. So let's give it a start up. I don't know how well y'all can hear that right now. Yeah, it's squeaking, it's making a loud noise down there. Okay, so let's get this cut off. I'm really hoping that that's what it is. I can't really see nothing else that could be causing it to do that, so we're gonna start with that. That was a pretty cheap part, like $26 on eBay for it, and hopefully it'll be pretty straightforward. Just gotta get the belt back off again, which is not something I enjoy doing. Yeah, so let's start with that. Essentially, this is the only bolt that we have to take out. That one right there. Essentially, so what we got to do first though is we got to get the belt off and get the tension off of it. Then we take that bolt out and supposedly we can get the tensioner out. So let's try it. Okay guys, so I got the old one out, and there looks to be some hope, because if you listen to it, look how easy it spins. One thing, this one does not move, but if you listen closely, which I know you probably won't be able to hear it, you can hear that? So I'm hoping that's my issue. This one, like I said, looks just like it, so props to eBay, but you don't hear nothing. Whereas, here's something, nothing. Here's something, nothing. So we're gonna stick this back in, and hopefully all goes well and it works like it's supposed to. supposed to. Okay, so I got a new tension on. I had the belt on, which is now slightly too small, but I figured out what the problem is. It's not the tensioner, it is the air compressor, which I didn't think it was, but it's the bearings are shot in it. So I'm gonna need to get a fucking AC compressor. I don't know how good y'all can see this, but if I go back here and you listen, and then you spin it, hear it. Cause I started it just then without any belt on, just to see, and it makes no noise. So it's gotta be that. It can't be my alternator, man. It cannot be that. I just got that put in, and I don't think that's what it is. I think it's that AC compressor. Dang. Yep. Piece this back together enough we can set it back on the ground. Guess I have to see about a compressor for it. It's always something. It's always something with these cars. It's got 200,000 on it though, so it's probably due. I know it always made noise anyway when you run it, but usually that was only when you ran, and I guess the bearings have gave out on it. But everything else seems to be pretty tight. So I don't know. Maybe we can find one from somewhere. Get it put on. That's a bummer. Yeah, so that's a bummer about that. I really wish it would have been just the tensioner, but that's just how car stuff goes sometimes. We'll get it fixed. I don't know if it'll be this week or when, but we'll get it fixed eventually. Yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna close this video out. This should have been more than enough for a nice little vlog. So hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all really liking the trap car, man. I'm in love with this color. Really fits me, really matches me. So yeah, I hope y'all like it too. If you did, make sure you smash the like button, and remember to subscribe and follow my boy KT with KT Media, and keep up with his stuff. He does real crystal clear pictures and photos and videos and stuff like that. So make sure y'all give him a follow, and I will catch y'all in the next one. As always, like, share, subscribe. Peace out and respect all of you. Make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe. As always, remember to
respect all bills. Real bread.
Oh, you want to do it? Ready? When I swing the camera around, you gotta open the door and say respect all bills, okay? You gonna do it? Huh? You are? Okay. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and as always,
It's our idea.